1, 2, check. One sound here, one sound there. Clear? One, two, 1, 2, 1, 2. Check 1, 2, 1, 2. One, two, 1, 2. So, how you doing? My name is Rich. I called earlier, but I don't know if you're actually open today for business or tomorrow.
Well, we're not working tomorrow or Sunday.
Okay. Oh, is it Saturday? No, today's Friday, isn't it?
Well, today's Friday, yeah.
Okay, so you are open tomorrow as well?
We're not working tomorrow, no.
Oh, okay.
Tomorrow. What did you need?
My car has overheated, so I don't know if it's a belt or, water pump, thermostat. I'm not certain.
What kind of car is it? Oh, okay. Yeah, that has an electric fan on it too.
Yeah,
so it could be any one of those things. Thermostat.
I did notice that. I did notice that the fan did not come on.
The fan's not coming on.
Right.
Okay, so that can make them overheat. Is it full of water?
Yes.
It is full. Okay. The radiator and the reservoir? The radiator cap, or you just fill from the reservoir?
I haven't had a chance to fill from the radio cap because it was hot. No, I haven't checked.
Okay.
So I didn't want to kill myself.
Okay, yeah. Because it's possible that the radiator itself is not full.
Okay.
Because on some cars, the water has to flow past the switch in order to turn the fan off.
Yeah.
And either if it's not full of water or if the thermostat's not opening, that can cause it to overheat because the fan's not coming on.
Right.
But yeah, it would be like Tuesday or so before we have a chance to look at it.
Woo. Okay.
Yeah, we're seriously back up right now the first part of next week.
Okay. All right. Well, can you put me?
Let it cool down and then see if it's full of water. If it's full of water, then it may just be that the fan's not coming on.
Okay. Should I get you to pencil me in now, or should I let it cool down first?
Let me check the book here. Yeah, Tuesday would be the soonest we could look at it.
Okay. So pencil me in Tuesday. I'm off through the week, so I'm open for any time that you can come on next week, Tuesday.
Okay. All right. What's your phone number? Okay. Let's see, overheating. All right. Well, I'll just call you Tuesday and get the address and everything.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
I appreciate it. All right, bye.
Bye.
That is how we have the sound for using this telephone, and we hope that is very good, clear sound. This is a beautiful thing. So, Christopher Haskins, you're a real estate mogul in the area. You've been doing this business for X amount of years. Give us a little bit of your background. How did you get into this? What is it exactly that you do now? Well, I started back in 2005 doing such and such and or other. Cool. All right, that's it for the sound check. Thank you very much.